Hello, everyone. Welcome to XM Live Trading Session in the Advanced Time. It's time for Guess the Trade session with me. My name is Junaid Fahit and my friend Stanislav Kolev. This session is designed for active trading. We're going to give more information about that. But before this, I would like to say big hello. Happy Friday. Happy Guess the Trade session again. Stanley, how are you?
Junaid, very good to see you. It's our second session for the week. I have been waiting desperately to trade with you this Friday. We have a lot of market dynamics, a lot of volatility. So always guess the trade is very interesting and sometimes very wild session. Everything is good volatility. I'm not gonna talk too much in order not to jeopardize the session, but ton of market opportunities incoming. And how about you? How the week has been for you?
Everything is great. Actively working. And here we go. Guess the trade. Even more active last day. Yeah, everything is perfect.
That's great. Akram is the first to speak. Guys, what we're going to do here, one of us has the screen. In this case is Juni, and the other person doesn't have the screen. You bombardize us with instruments. The person that is not sharing is obliged to execute a position, and the person that is sharing is obliged to guess the position. Entry exit strategy, direction, stop loss, take profit, position management, macro fundamentals about it, whether that's a risk to reward, and as much as possible information. And then we reveal whether that's true or not, and the role flip. And the best part is that we're going to do it for every instrument that you address in the chat. So give us as many as you wish. Like, for example, Akram, his favorite session. Respect, sir. Thank you so much. We highly appreciate your impact on the sessions. And Akram is saying,
Gold, dollar,
oil,
Japanese yen, oil,
DAX.
Bitcoin. The standard.
The story, yes, the same story, but in different order this time. So it's gonna be even more
The new
interesting.
world order.
And the new Akram's order, and then we're gonna trade for the next person and the next and the next. And as soon as we run out of new people, first instrument, we're gonna trade your second, third, fifth, as many. So I will, for example, right now I have to trade oil. And then if there is no other comment, Junior will have to trade DAX. But if there is somebody else,
okay.
yeah, yes. But if there is somebody else coming in with different comment, for example, Will coming in now and saying something else, we're gonna trade for Will, then for John, then for Patricia, and whoever else there. I'm making up those names at the moment. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. No.
Great explanation. Thank you very much. It's time for active trading, everybody. We are also streaming in YouTube. All the viewers in the YouTube, jump and ask questions, guys. We're gonna get also your questions. Any questions you have about the markets, Stanley very well explained what we do this session. But if you have questions about anything else, analysis, maybe question about the session, maybe about us as a traders, strategies, styles, we are glad to answer all of your questions. I suggest let's start. Let's warm up with the first guessing. Stanley has to trade. I am sharing the screen. I'm going to open the instruments chart in order to analyze and see potentially what he is going to trade. And I have to guess it. Which instrument we start with?
I will have to trade oil.
Oil. Easy. I did just seconds ago. I immediately moved from oil because I forgot that my screen is shared. Okay, so oil was a very good trade for us. Absolutely. It was very good trade for us recently. After buying these dips, our target was the previous structure high during this week. And we said that the chances this makes double top and drops furthermore are high. So
I am ready.
Stanley is ready. I guess he's selling, guys, because of the short-term price action. The thing is, if he has longs from the dips, because there were very easy signals, then he may say that he's just buying because he's already
Just to clarify, excuse me, I'm trading the futures contract, mini contract.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I think it's important.
That's important because sometimes price action is different.
Yeah. Price action, current action, no, but historical data is. So yeah, structures.
I still see that sell signal, but yeah, there is a little bit differences also in the levels. But I think that you know what, guys, I got confused right now. Let's start from the bigger time frame. There was a very good higher highs, higher lows. Market failed to break the previous high, but now it's consolidating here at the previous level of resistance, which is currently acting as support. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days staying at the same price range, and today is the sixth one. So if that's bullish or bearish, as per his Prisma, let me use some of levels that he might also have. Maybe he gonna get this here as
Prisma re. Okay.
okay. Okay. That's interesting. Why I got confused, guys? Because you can, on the bigger time frame, you can bring both scenarios up and down, higher highs, higher lows, and this is currently developing breakout, tight consolidation, trend continuation. It's quite possible. On other hand, you can also say that this is some form of double top or failure, or maybe even more bearish momentum, pin bar, bearish engulfing, outside bar. You can find all different type of price action candles here. And one of the trade is going to be for a downside with tight stop loss and not so bad reward if the price goes down. But there is the support 75. Let's see if he goes for, yeah, that's a good risk to reward ratio on lower time frame. Okay, daily, I will conclude that currently, I will say that as per his point of view, will be neutral, because I need more information here. 4-hour chart looks more bearish to me because that looks like double top, but at the same time, we have V-shaped recovery. Rally, pullback, retest the support, bounce back, and this is like a V-shaped recovery, and I don't know how he can use that. I'm more inclined to say sell, guys. 1-hour chart, yes, very strong drop. Tight consolidation, Asia session was broken, but that could be also a little pullback and then trend continuation. I will still go with sell. 30-minute, 15-minute. Everything currently suggests downside. Instead, maybe the bigger structure kind of looks like a bullish, but that doesn't mean that market is not going to. I say he's selling. Stop above to this 4-hour candle high or even the previous structure high. Target number 1, 75. Target number 2, 74. This is more
74, 75. You remember this song?
Yeah, I think. And somewhere here he could look for longs. But yeah, that's gonna be
By the canals. Yes. We have a song, the canals. 74, 75.
Let's go. I say sell.
Juni says 74. And we also have Nandam Ladong from YouTube with us. Good morning, Nandam. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. Your questions and comments will be highly appreciated. And I am sharing the screen to reveal that 74 is too far away. I am having a little shorter target. Yes, 75 is the one. That is Libra pattern, left Libra, up thrust even here, you could call it, And the right Libra, we're currently having a breakout of the structure. It's bearish. The stop loss was perfect as well. Not the 4 hour, even the 1 hour stop loss. I'm still maintaining more bullish bias here, and I would rather be a buyer. That's why I'm not very brave with the target that I project for it. I'm rather even conservative.
Oh,
This is the territory. If I get false breakout below this low, that's gonna be solid. False breakout below this low will trigger the upside for me. So yes, thumbs up to Juni and congratulations, sir.
basically, I have absolutely same trade analysis and view with completely different systems and strategies. Luckily, they all say the same thing. We have 3 drives pattern, hit at 38.2 by the book, rallied for double top, and now if the price drops 38.2 is exactly where the Stanley's target is, and 61.8 or 50 it's just false breakout thing. As per the wave analysis, if I continue with the accumulation phase part, the price can drop to make that false breakout. Even it allows a little bit lower, and like 74.50s to be the
74.
and then retrace back and like V-shape recovery and rally. So basically, I see the same things. The worst case scenario, if the price never goes up, 73 is going to be the level that I'll keep an eye for another long opportunity for now. Yesterday, I shared a bit longer term view that for like not longer term, but more detailed view for the short term, that price can actually break for lower levels to 60 something 878 maybe. That's going to be sharp move and sharp recovery, but we are far from that, so no need to discuss it right now, not to lose time. Let's
Brilliant. Let's go. We are for the next one. I'm getting back to the chat to see Will with Euro Australian dollar. And Akram is saying yes because. So, Juni, you trade Euro Aussie. Very difficult.
Oh, I thought.
Akram is saying
That's...
yes because you take the first instrument from each one, then round again. Prof T is also with us. Good morning, guys. Nice weekend. Little words for Euro, dollar, gold, and Bitcoin. Let me add those on the list.
Big words you're gonna get. I'd have to trade Euro Aussie.
Prof T, Euro, dollar, gold, and Bitcoin. Okay, we got a few overlapping, so we'll see who will get the first and the second. Oh yeah, I see how it's gonna happen. Okay, great. Prof T, where are you from? What type of trader you are?
I am
Euro,
ready.
Aussie. That's hard. Week versus week. Daily chart. Lower highs at the structure high. 4 hour at the bottom of the structure. 1 hour. Triple bottom. 15 minute. No, this is very difficult. Now, these are 2 options here. Juni is long-term.
Always 2 options.
Always 2 options. Yes, exactly. But sometimes it's
one option
clear,
more.
you know. Yes. Fundamentally, Juni is super bearish on Euro. Currently bearish on Aussie, but he's long-term bearish on Euro and short to mid-term bearish on Australian dollar because of his commodity bias. Now, this is a bear at the moment. 4 hour daily. The only problem that I have is those 3 rejections at the bottom, and for him to play a role on the upside and then to short. But I think he will play the long game here. I think he will short, stop above this high to play it safe and anticipate another leg down, maybe to the projection of the bottom of the channel, something like this. Is it valid? I think it's very, yeah, why not? On the upside, 4-hour rejection, if he buys with 30, 80. And currently 1-hour momentum. No, I say he is a sell. Combining all the information for a swing trade, sell. If it is intraday, he can buy